National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Reno County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Preston, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. You can expect 2-inch hail and 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hutchinson, South Hutchinson, Arlington, Tehran, Partridge, Sylvia, Plevna, Abbeville, and Langdon. Here's a look at weather conditions.